Manufacturers also provide app settings or even physical magnetic strips for creating virtual barriers, allowing users to prohibit sensitive room access entirely.
So there is an opportunity for informed choice based on individual comfort level.
While that theoretical choice exists, yes, the market reality is that the most advertised, arguably the most effective devices are the ones capturing the full spectrum of home dimension and usage patterns. And returning to those regulatory concerns around the Amazon acquisition, the core issue remains the profound commercial advantage this data represents. The inherent incentive structure seems designed for maximal data capture and potential exploitation, not for minimization. We are, effectively, trading long-term privacy risk and intimate home data exposure for, what, marginal cleaning convenience?